Welcome to Baja, Mexico, a land of stark contrasts. From its rugged coastlines to its serene deserts, it's here that our journey unfolds, challenging perceptions and uncovering the beauty of the untamed. Ever wonder why so many people are hesitant to go to Mexico? Today, we're diving into the common fears and showing you the vibrant reality of Baja, Mexico through our eyes. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow along for more adventures. When we first mentioned to friends and family that we're headed to Baja, Mexico, we got a bit of mixed reactions. As you can imagine, there was definitely excitement, but there was also concern. People were asking us questions like, is it safe? What about the news stories we hear online? Well, I think it's time to address the elephant in the room. Crossing into Mexico, the tension was palpable, but was it justified? Checkpoints might seem daunting, but we found them to be straightforward, dispelling one of the first myths about traveling here. Sure, a few of us even had some of our vehicles searched, but they were relatively non-intrusive, and it was more of a process than anything else. So with apprehensions behind us, the adventure really began. The open roads of Baja called us, and we answered. It wasn't all smooth sailing, but honestly, the best adventures rarely are.
Honestly, with this stock tires on this truck, we couldn't make it much further into the sand, so hopefully we get out pretty easily.
Each challenge was a lesson, each mile a new discovery. Beyond the headlines lies a tapestry of vibrant colors, bustling markets, and warm smiles. Baja really is a feast for the senses.
All right, we just got done eating at Adriana's Taqueria.
Our days were filled with the serenity of untouched beaches, the night skies, a blanket of stars, and it's moments like these that the travel myths are shattered.
Morning. It's our fourth full day in Baja, or the start of it at least. We found this beautiful beach to camp at last night.
And what's an adventure without a little bit of music and good company? The warmth of the fire was only matched by the warmth of the people. Sure, we faced our fair share of obstacles, like getting stuck in the sand.
Oh, now he's digging a hole.
But with a little ingenuity and teamwork, what seemed like a setback turned into a highlight.
Guy started driving out here at 37 PSI in his tires, and he sank in the ground. Now he's down to 10 PSI like a boss. So what'd you learn today?
Other than that, I need a compressor and a set of air down valves.
If you're considering a journey like ours, we've got a few tips to share. Tip 1. Situational awareness is key. This does not just only apply in Mexico, but anywhere you go. Always be cognizant of your surroundings. Tip 2. Prep is key, especially for your vehicle. Ensure your ride is up to the challenge with focus on tires suitable for off-road and beach driving. And make sure you have vehicle insurance for the country you're traveling to. Tip 3. Embrace the culture, try the food, and don't be shy to drive into local markets. A little Spanish goes a long way. Knowing basic phrases can enrich your interactions with locals and show respect for their culture.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Tip 4. Camp responsibly. Choose spots that are not just beautiful, but also safe and respectful of the environment. Remember, leave no trace. Tip 5. Dive into the local cuisine. Baja is famous for its seafood and street tacos. Eating where the locals eat is not just about food, it's about the experience.
Fantastic street tacos. The shrimp was delicious, so was the carne asada. Fish, everything was good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Come back and check it out.
Tip 6. Explore beyond the tourist trails. Baja is filled with hidden gems, from secluded beaches to ancient cave paintings. A reliable guide or map can lead you to places few have witnessed. Tip 7. Set yourself up for success. There are good and bad people everywhere in the world. Make yourself less of a target by doing things like keeping your valuables on the front of your body, only carry a small amount of cash on you at any given time, and travel with a group when possible. Tip 8. Do your research. If you travel with pets, keep their records up to date and available. Talk to people who have been where you're traveling. A few tips that we got specifically for Baja were to travel only during the day and get your FMM, also known as your Mexico tourist card, at the border. Our journey through Baja was more than just a trip. It was a testament to the beauty and open-mindedness that lies in exploration. The real Baja isn't found in the headlines, but in the stories of those that dared to venture beyond the familiar. So, are you inspired to embark on your own Baja adventure or have a story to share? Drop us a comment down below. We love hearing from you. And if you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with fellow adventurers, and don't forget to subscribe for future content just like this. Until next time, keep exploring, and don't forget, the best adventures are often found between the pages of your passport.